we are going to solve for x in this equation. It's going to be pretty easy, so stay tuned, watch the video until the end. Now, what you're going to look at, when you look at this equation, it's x cubed minus 4x is equal to 0. You notice that the common thing here right now, we have an x here and an x here, so x is common. I want you to factor an x out, okay? And then when you factor out an x, you remain with, so x cubed divided by x, you get x squared minus 4x, but that you remain with 4. So you remain with x into x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, that means the x is also equal to 0. Also, x squared minus 4, okay, is equal to 0. Then now we already have the first value of x here. Now we're going to look for the other values of x. So if x squared minus 4 is the same as 2 squared, okay, is equal to 4. If you remember, if you're having a squared minus b squared is equivalent to a minus b, a plus b. That's the difference of 2 squares. So in this scenario, we are going to be having x minus 2, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So that means each of them is going to be equating to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. That's the first equation. Then the second one, x plus 2 is equal to 0 also. That's the second one. Okay? So for the first equation, x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2. Okay? For the second equation, which is x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 2. So x is equal to negative 2. So there are three values of x. Okay, three values of x are x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 0. So there are three values of x. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.